be showing up any old way on this damn camera. Good morning, guys. It's your girl Moya Loves, and I'm back with another video. It is, I want to say, about 8:45 in the morning. I've been up since 5:50 because I had to move my car, and I don't feel sleepy yet. That's the thing. But today's gonna be a regular day. We're gonna actually fill orders from the Restock. So today's gonna be very productive. My daughter right now is in her room doing remote learning, and she's at school. So I took my my desk that I had in the corner there in the dining area, and I put it in her room. Now it's her workspace. So about to get up. I'm gonna work out, take a shower, and then head to the office to meet up with Marsha, who is helping me today. She is everything, you guys, everything. Love her down. Pretty much that's gonna be my day. I hadn't worked out in a while, so I'm gonna probably show you guys a little bit of my workout routine, and then yes, like I said, head to the office. So stay tuned. She's gonna cuss me, guys, but look.
My camera's on.
I know.
Mommy.
Relax. She's working on her remote learning, and she's trying to kick me out, guys. She's embarrassed that I'm in this night clothes. I told you guys. She may stay cussing me out like she's embarrassed by me. I'm gonna go get ready and be back. So guys, I just brushed my teeth and I'm here to make myself some tea. I love tea, all right? So I have this knockoff Keurig machine because I didn't know if I wanted to invest in a Keurig, but this is pretty cool. I might take this one to the office and get me a Keurig for home. But I personally, I love black tea because I like to put milk in it, and my daughter, she loves peppermint tea. Love peppermint tea. So this is mine and this is hers. I love black tea because normally I am real Jamaican and I put the condensed milk in it, which is the sweet milk. If you're not familiar, it's like really thick but very sweet. So usually I do that, but now I'm just gonna go for the honey. All right, so since I'm gonna work out, like I try to cut out a lot of sugar and sweet stuff because that goes to your stomach, and you got like, oh, why did she work out? But I'm out of shape, y'all. So this is one of the new mugs that I will be putting out starting in the fall for our fall collection, along with the merch, the slippers and the robes. So it says glowing on one side, and then on the other side it's Laura Bay. So I think this is so cute. It's one of my favorite mugs now. This is my own personal mug. Turn this upside down. It says Laura. We might put out something like this soon, but yeah, this will be the new mug that will be released for fall. That's done. I'm gonna go ahead and put my milk in there. I already have my honey. I'm trying to be a little bit better and use the almond milk instead of the half and half or the creamer. So yeah, let's see. Alright guys, so I'm all ready. Don't come for my stretch marks, don't come for them, but I'm ready to work out. So I'm just gonna place it there, do my little routine. I have a couple of new exercises that I actually want to try, so we'll see how that works. Like I said, I haven't worked out in about 5 days. That's horrible because I usually work out about 4 to 5 days for the week. And yeah, because of me preparing for the restock, doing a restock Labor Day weekend, I've been bad. Okay. So I'm gonna get to this workout. I'm gonna have my vest here, which I love, needs to get washed, but yeah, tune in for this workout.
Say little bite. Type of money you gon' need to sight. The type of money you gon' need to buy.
Guys, that was the end of my workout. I don't really sweat on my face. My braids are a whole mess, but they doing what they do because of this workout. But I'm going to now go and take a shower and get ready to go to the office. Bye. So I'm just reaching the office. First things first, put my laptop down, my charger and stuff, and then I make sure that I light a candle. You know, get the place smelling on good or whatever, and then figure out what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna tie my hair up and get ready to work. Marsha hasn't come yet. I have a few packages to open. I'm gonna open the packages and put them where they need to be and then start working. So I'll let you guys watch me, and we're gonna attack this day. We're gonna be productive and we're gonna get a lot of orders out. Employee of the month. TT, if you're listening to this, she made me say it. She made me lie. Come into my office. Come into my office.
Get the door.
Get the door. Thank you. I don't want see-through. She does this all the time, guys. She always has to come in my office, and then we gotta have this talk. All right. You closed it? Okay. Because last time you slammed it, so I'm just...
No, I just closed it.
Okay. Listen, it's just me and you.
Okay, but you told her that I told you to say that, but I didn't tell you to say that.
But I thought you did.
And I think I should be Employee of the Year, and not this only 2021 as well. See? That's what I feel. That's
you telling me now.
feel.
See, TT?
I said that's how I feel. I didn't tell you to do it. That's how I feel.
But guys, listen.
That's how I feel.
We're down to this.
Hold on a second. I'm in the office.
We down to this. So what do you guys think? Should she be Employee of the Year? Let me know.
2021.
Let me know.
We cutting down shipping time, baby.
Oh. Out the trash. So we are finished for the night. Marsha did like really good. She has a whole system going on. We're about to leave. Just took out the trash and we're about to go. We completed like almost all the orders, so about to leave out. Oh yeah, you know.
Are we putting these up? We're taking
No,
these, right?
no, because I'm going to drop it to them tomorrow because they're going to be here. Every time I come, they're here.
Okay.
So yes, these are the bags that we did. She like knocked them out, guys. This is what I showed you guys earlier. This is all we probably left. Probably like 2-3 more, but yeah, practically that's it. I'm thinking that we're going to be like stuck with it again tomorrow, but nope. I'm about to leave. I'm always like forgetting my damn slippers.
Yeah, I was gonna have mine too. I'm gonna bring my new bear slippers. What are the bear slippers? My taser out.
You got your what? What you got? She cracks me up with that.
What is that? Well, we gotta be safe.
So yeah, so she has her taser and she makes sure that we're protected because she's security.
Who gonna check me, boo?
Security. Okay, so we're good. I think I have my phone in my hand, my keys, and wallet. I'm done. We are finished. We're out.
I should have fucking.
Not playing.
I should have fucking. I need warning shots. You okay?
Always scares me with this. I swear to God.
Y'all okay?
You got your gun?
I'm with the shit. Where's my gun? Where's my gun?
I'm done.
Rat-tat-tat-tat. Start on with the shit. Until I bring my chow to work, I'm with the shit.
She cracks me up. I swear to God.
Hold on, let me turn the corner first, make sure.
Where you parked?
I'm right here behind this van.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know if the van want to put me in because they traffic.
Yeah.
Wait for it.
Yes.
See if you get my
Of course.
Hold on, people next to me. Give me a second.
You crazy. Where'd you park? Oh, right there? No, you parked right there? Okay. Guys, I'm just showing you. This is for the restock. And these are all the items that I have to place in this bag here for USPS and send off. Now, I don't have a lot of time. I just came back to the office just to pick it back up because couldn't bring it that night. But yeah, this is from the restock. So to whoever supported us during this restock, I really appreciate you guys. And whoever used the code that I gave you guys, definitely appreciate you guys. bags that are left. Now I have to take them down the stairs one by one to my car. Help me, somebody help me. All right, so I'm gonna go and take these items one by one downstairs to the car. I actually parked 1 block over, so I have to come with the car up here and I have less than an hour. So I'm just gonna go and try to make it to the post office before it closes. See you guys. So y'all, I just chased down this USPS truck because I might not make it in time. So I want to see if he's gonna take it. Let's hope that he's gonna take it. It's this car right here, or truck right here. And I have all the stuff in here. Hopefully they do take it. I'm gonna ask him right now. See what he says. No questions to ask him. Excuse me. I have a bag of like packages. Are you able to take them? Thank you. 115 and 125. He said yes. I said I kind of like played with the truth a little bit, but let me go and give him these packages.